In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a journal in Canva. If you want to create a custom journal, planner, diary, or notebook interior, Canva makes the process much easier than trying to build every writing line manually. Instead of wasting time fighting uneven spacing or pages that look off balance, you can set up a clean, professional layout in just a few steps. I'll walk you through the full process so your journal pages are neat, printable, and easy to duplicate. To begin, open Canva and go to your home dashboard. From the main page, head to the top right area and click Custom Size. Before entering your dimensions, change the measurement unit to inches. Then set the width to 6 and the height to 9. This gives you a standard vertical journal size that works well for many notebooks and printed interiors. Once that's entered, create the new design and let the blank page load fully. When your canvas opens, don't start placing elements right away. First, you'll want to turn on margins so you can keep your content inside a safe area. This is especially important if the journal will be printed or bound because anything too close to the edge may get trimmed or look cramped. Go to File, then View Settings, and choose Show Margins. You'll now see a dashed guide around the page that helps you keep everything aligned and safely positioned. Next, it's time to add your writing lines. On the left-hand side, click Elements. In the Lines and Shapes section, choose a straight line to place it onto the page. Stretch that line from the left margin to the right margin so it fits neatly within your safe area. Then use the Line Style option in the top toolbar to reduce the weight to 1 or 2 pixels. Keeping the line thin helps the page look elegant and easy to write on. Once your first line is in place near the top of the page, you can quickly build the rest of the layout. Select the line and duplicate it using Ctrl and D on Windows or Command and D on Mac. Drag the new line downward to create the spacing you want between each row. After that, keep using the duplicate shortcut repeatedly. Canva will remember the spacing pattern, which makes it much faster to fill the page with evenly spaced lines. When one page is finished, use the duplicate page option to copy the same layout across as many pages as you need. Before exporting, do a quick alignment check. If you add titles or decorative elements, move them around until Canva's smart guides help snap everything into place. Keep text clean and balanced so the page stays easy to use. Then click Share, choose Download, and set the file type to PDF print for the best print quality. If needed, enable crop marks and bleed, then click Download to save your finished journal. That's it. You now have a clean journal layout ready to print, publish, or customize further. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.